I'm back down in the basement, sitting room door. Oh, I fucking broke it. He's beating my ass. Stab his ass.
What are the chances of us getting through this damn house and doing anything? Or should we go outside?
Very fucking slim. The cook just came downstairs. Oh, bro, they come down to fuck me up. Ooh. Cook is trying to listen to somebody, so I'll probably stay still. Come here, come here. Beat him up in his face. I'm about to fall behind you. He's what?
He's been running back and forth this way.
Oh, shit. I knew homegirl was gonna die.
This will help. Anything will help.
I got this. When we get back home, this should help.
A knife. Oh, this way. Wait. No, it's not.
Maria, this way.
Can I use that?
Girl, I knew homegirl was gonna die.
Sadly, I'm like, I don't even consider the same thing, but I'm like, damn.
Girl, I knew she was gonna die because she was running around when she was yellow. I was like, yeah. Likeliness of homegirl surviving is very slim. I'm opening the barn gate. The one with the car battery. Can someone get over here to be so collapsed right now?
This is good.
He's coming.
What do I do with this?
He knows someone's over here.
Oh my god.
It's a hitchhiker's over here by me. He knows I opened the gate, but he doesn't know where I'm at. Let's see if he goes the fuck away. I can start to turn this fucking car battery off.
Here we go.
Oh, this man is checking butches. Let's go back. Let's go back. as soon as he's going to away, I don't know if he's trying to trick me or what. It's a lot right there. I'll just jump back in that bitch. Get fucked. Please don't do it. What y'all doing? Are y'all working on any exits right now?
I'm about to try to get upstairs, but Leatherface is really cop blocking.
They're everywhere.
Alright. So is Hitchhiker. Like he knows.
Has anyone seen the pressure valve? I'm gonna try to use it as a distraction.
No, I haven't seen it.
It's right by me.
Where is that?
The car graveyard. Right from the front.
I am stuck on the fucking porch.
Come here.
Sonny, can you get a track on anyone?
Hitchhiker is in the barn thickets where the car battery is at.
Is anyone near the house?
I can't see that far. It's too far away.
Alright, bet. Someone keep popping up on my screen, so I know someone's near. I just can't figure out where they are.
I'm trying to think, like, what if y'all just come over here? Nah, he's still over here. There's probably no way. I'm about to do it by myself, probably. It would be easier if someone turns off the thing and I open the gate. It would be like,
How did this happen?
wham, but homie is patrolling like he will not go away.
I think it's clear.
Somebody's
He
upstairs.
knows. He
I
knows.
have to watch myself. Hey, what's this?
Hitchhiker is still in the barn thicket.
He just spotted me.
Oh shit! He's slicing.
Everybody, I got upstairs unlocked.
What'd you say?
I got the door to upstairs unlocked.
Oof.
Who's over there where Leatherface is heading?
I just fell in the basement. Not even upstairs no more. He fucking stabbed me.
Alright, bet.
I have one latch on it unlocked though. But I'm too low. I need some medicine. Wait, what do you mean door open? What does that mean?
So when you know when you come from the back porch,
Huh? Oh, that door. Oh,
yeah, I got that door
damn.
open. We just gotta get upstairs now.
Lucky you. Now all you have to do is unlock that gate, right?
No, I still gotta get that door open. Shit.
Oh shit. I think I'm about to die. I'm too well. I don't have no medicine. I really need to find something so bad. But
You're gonna get out, okay? You will.
but you about to bleed out, please.
I'm sorry
please.
about your friend.
This is so bad.
I'm afraid you got
Leatherface is downstairs. He's in the basement. Yeah, Leatherface is in the basement. I don't know where the other doors are, but I know.
I know my good.
Damn. I just got killed.
No.
Cook was watching the stairs.
You're cock blocking bad.
I guess the next best spot to go to is going for the bedroom, Nancy's bedroom, if you're trying to get upstairs.
50 health is amazing.
All right, I got you on the screen.
Ain't gonna make it much further.
Okay.
I need to go back to where the fuck I was
Leatherface
trying
is
to
out
do.
this way.
He's what?
He's been running back and forth this way.
Oh shit. Let me see.
Come on,
Damn.
Sonny, get away, get away.
I'm trying. Oh shit. Please, so well over here. Let that bitch through. Oh, I was so close too. I was unlocking that damn gate. He just kept coming back. He knew.
Let me tell you, they were patrolling.
God damn it.
All right, Maria, what's up?
Come on, garçon. Eat,
Fuck
eat,
with these
eat.
bitches.
If you go to the back of that, what's the name? That thing. I already did one notch on it. So if you could do the last two and turn it off, you're out. But you see where you're looking at? I think it should be over there. I say stop Grandpa and do a whole 360.
I was thinking the same thing.
Right there when you was gone. All you gotta do is do 2 notches, turn off that generator, and you're free because the gate is unlocked. Stab his ass. You ain't gonna stab him?
I like how you did that, Maria. You sitting in the corner in the bush, just waiting, going back and forth. You can still make sure you get them, though.
Oh, you're gonna see me do it a lot more until these bitches find out.
See, had I know that's how you be doing it, it'd be a little bit easier for me to move around.
What was that? Oh, please don't be Johnny.
I say try to go for an exit. It's no point in me just sitting in a bush. Whisper that motherfucker ear and tell him sweet stories. Stab his ass.
Why do you want me to stab him so bad?
Girl, stab him, cause he deserves to get shanked. Because that fuck ass roar he be doing.
You're pissing me off. You're pissing me off.
Roar, I mean, stab him and talk to him. Talk to him and then stab him.
I'm not gonna talk to him and stab him. I'm just gonna keep talking to him. We'll sweet talk a real slow dance. Stab him down. See, here comes Leatherface. Jolly fat fuck.
If only you had the fuse.
Where is it?
I don't know, probably one of those sheds.
It's most likely upstairs.
Come on, stop being scary. Move it.
I actually think I saw one in the house.
And he said that he think he saw one in the house. Girl, come on. Move it to lose it. Girl, the gate is open. Go to the gate. Go to the green. The green. Go to the green. Sean, what are you doing? No, turn around.
No, I'm not going to the green.
You think they plotting on you?
Yes, I think they're
Damn.
plotting on me.
They had
Why
your
wouldn't
ass
they fucking be
face down
plotting on
ass
me? I'm
up.
walking
Go to the left.
house. Where's the upstairs?
It's right there, that gate.
Straight to there, yeah, but the cook has heard you.
Oh, damn. Why they have you laid out like that?
I tried to get through that bitch.
Oh, my God. Come. Him up in his face. Oh, my goodness.
Go away.
I like that.
I say go for the green. All you have to do is jump that hill and hide. As soon as they
But he still
got
gotta unlock the gate.
Unlock that gate. Yeah, that's what you gotta do is hide and then unlock the gate when they go fuck off. Ooh,
There
bro,
go my
that's
house.
There's nowhere to hide. could have tried it. He's gonna kill yourself in the ass.
I told you,
I did try. That was my try.
Let's go.
I feel like we need to be like together more. Like,
I was going
I
to say
swear,
that
if he would have had two bitches around me, we would have ate. We would have got the fuck out. But it's just too much shit to do. Me to do on my own. No, you ain't just latch my door.
Honey, I know what this is.
Together.
Work on those doors.
You guys want to find a spot to meet up at?
I'm at the fuel storage getting a box right now. Yes, we can all go up together if you want. Whatever. I feel like the best exit to do is that fucking car about to go in because it's like behind the gate. There's a lot of bushes over there, but you have to do it by yourself. No, I didn't open the door. Who's she? Oh, come to the shed basement. Everybody's going up right now. Ooh, girl, you moving real. Where you at? Come right here. I see you.
I'm trying to get to you guys. I'm in South Tunnel.
I'm ready.
Yeah, just come a little straight. I'm right here. I can see your aura. Hey. Okay.
Hey.
They can't fuck all of us up now,
The
right?
fuse is in the house. If we head like right straight through the back, like right here. and
Wait,
then go
somebody is
forward
standing right down
all the
if
way
that's
to
a
the
victim
back,
or a
and then
person. They're not moving though,
and
so
then
it might be a victim.
on the wall.
Alright, cool. Oh, that's Grandpa. Wait. Oh no! Damn! Shit averted. New plan. Fight for your life.
Listen, I jetted the fuck out.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's see. Turn that off. This shit got real fast.
He's gonna fucking murder me right now. Come on, fat ass. You can't make it through this hole. I know you can't. You're too damn big. Real surprisingly, he ain't fucking murder me.
Good choice.
He... Oh, this not even that fucking map anymore.
So I got the fuse. It's
But
in
you're
the
dead.
house. The back left room on my body in the same room with the fuse box.
I think I'm gonna have to find a different exit.
Damn, now it just be me and you. He about to give this motherfucker blood. Shit.
What are the chances of us getting through this damn house and doing anything? Or should we go outside?
Very fucking slim. Well, the two killers are next to Grandpa, you know, in the back rear. We're trying to go up at, well, all the two of them. One just move. Cook is trying to listen to somebody, so I'll probably stay still.
Thank you for
And
catching
they
me
just-
because I was just starting to run.
And they is feeding this motherfucker blood. They are feeding him blood.
Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna try to make it out this damn basement somewhere else. Cause I was about to come through the
Alright.
house.
Yeah, I wouldn't go through the exit we try to go through because they're kind of right here. Just.
How far are you from where we met up at?
I'm standing right outside. They haven't moved yet. They just feeding him and feeding him and feeding him. shit. I'm trying to go to the back, see if I can do that exit. I think that's what that is. It's very slim. It's going crazy.
We went this way.
Oh no, I think he found my footprints. Yup, he did. Oh, brother. Ooh. I'm back down in the basement. I'm about to fall behind you.
Lordy.
I'm trying to get, Oh, bro, they come down to fuck me up. Ooh. Ooh, fight back. No hands. No, don't touch me. I don't allow this. Johnny fucked me up. It is not funny, guys. I'm laughing this. Oh my goodness. He came right downstairs to fuck me up too. He knew. It's okay. We gonna escape.
Please.
Bullshit. No, I'm not.
Let me gone.
I ain't giving up
I
hope.
have to watch myself.
Yeah, he broke his ankles.
No!
Yo, I did the same.
I hate that
It's
shit.
So bro, that shit makes me so mad. Like, it's like no fucking way.
This is only gonna hurt for a minute.
Did not halt for them.
I think I gotta get out of here. I think I can make it. I can get through here.
Where the hell am I now?
Can I use that? Work. What do I do with this? Keep this. This is a nightmare. Thank God.
Alright, guys. I got one of the doors open here. Get it, Sonny.
I'll keep my shit. You know, I got my back fucked, but.
I'm
Nope,
coming right
no.
behind you.
Oh, hands done seen a bitch. He about to. Oh. Oh. He did not see me. Don't come up these ladders. They is in the kitchen waiting. The cook just came downstairs. Girl, they put a lockpick on the fucking... I'm in the sitting room. I'm in the front door. Well, not the front door, the side door, the sitting room door. Oh, I fucking broke it. He's beating my ass.
I'm on my way up.
He's beating my ass. Shit, maybe you should have gone your way up.
I don't like this.
You just
Somebody
cave
help
match
me.
it in.
Shit.
Oh!
Shit. Get away. Get away.
Down the well I go. Down the well. Never mind.
Where's
I was so close to getting the fuck out the front door at least.
Maybe. I gotta stay away. Hey, what's this? They're everywhere. I don't see them. Is anything I can use? Human, isn't it? How did this happen? How do people like this happen?
Ooh, look at that beautiful shoes. Girl, Leatherface is downstairs with Connie. She's... Ooh, girl, they got that ass.
This is good. Not that way. Think.
Is someone just standing there? Why is it still yellow?
That's what I'm trying to figure out too.
I think they might just be standing there or something. You got this.
12, 3.
Are they gone? Are they really gone?
6 and 5.
Run to that basement. Go down that well, break your back, whatever you gotta do.
There they are again. I need to
Eat.
Oh fuck!
open.
No! They haven't turned it off yet. If you go through the kitchen, go through the kitchen. It's open down there. Ooh, I would go the other way. Under the. Damn, they are. Ooh.
Are you kidding me?
Damn, they are comboing your ass. Ooh. Ooh.
This hurts so much.
You don't know where he went. Yeah. He went downstairs. I think if you go that way, back where your back is turned, the kitchen is on your right. You gotta go past Grandpa. Ooh. Girl, that bitch is down. Oh, they closed the basement door. There's no point going down there anymore. Homegirl Connie is waiting for you to flip that bitch back on. I see.
This will help. Anything will help.
Connie, they're trying to do it now. I would just stay over there.
I can't get seen again. Shit. Get away.
They shouldn't be able to close that door that quick. Ooh.
Damn. You were watching that shit hard too.
Damn. Poor Death.
Once I saw that damn fuse gone, I said, fuck, I'm done.
Oh, God.
Because I forgot that he can rip stall for all
That's
this.
so bullshit that they closed it.
Yeah, like they really closed the house off so we couldn't get out. Because we would have
I
been
know it's one perk you can put on to where if they it's like a don't touch thing. It's like it makes them wait 10 extra seconds until they can turn anything off or close it.
Yeah, that would have been nice. But for real, what I think we should have did, we should have opened up the map a little bit so they would have had a little bit more places to look for us instead of just the house. But was it really that locked up?
Yeah, so you said it wasn't really that locked up?
Yeah, like I never made it to the back where we are right, like where we're looking right now.
I didn't make it back there either. In the kitchen. No, I got murdered. They had a lock on the kitchen door. The only way to make it back there was lock picking it or
Stairs.
they're cut fucking bad.